Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel Hacked by Ebanks. I'm Sasha. This is Rory and Royal, and we've been away for a while, but we wanted to come back with, I guess, some more videos. We do have a lot of content that we need to release, but the time to edit. And Royal, I'm doing a video. Thank you. Look at you. Right, so we do have a lot of content, but the time to edit and put out those contents is hard to find, but we're getting there. So this is basically a vlog of our Sunday, a typical Sunday almost in our lives. We're at the apartment that we are furnishing for Airbnb, and we're about to put on some finishing touches. I know you're getting a sneak peek in the background, but we'll do a reveal video to show you everything that we have done and everything that was done in the apartment to make it what it is now. And we have a client visit today. Not sure how much footage we'll be able to show you of that, but we'll tell you about it. And we're going to be giving you a walk-in tour of our construction at home. We do have, as I said, we do have a lot of footage that we need to release about the we have a lot of footage that we need to release about that construction, but yeah, let's just try and catch you guys up on all that has been happening so far, and stay tuned for the rest of the day. So bye guys. So we got this really cool lamp on Amazon. I love this lamp so much, and it has the USB cables, which is very convenient for charging, and these are going to go into the bedroom. So we're setting them up, and we also have the patio furniture which was purchased on Amazon that we need to set up as well. So we'll be working on that and hanging some art, doing some finishing touches. We still have a little bit more to do. Mr. Royal,
big up to the courier company.
Yeah, trust me, the courier company, the best. But Royal, what you doing? You're busted. No, exactly, no. All right, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, that looks straight now. Alright, we just want it to dry out good, and then we can frame it, and then we're good. Alright guys, so that's one setup done. We have some more to mount in the living room, so let's go. And I did those as well. What's your boy? You know, we need somewhere we can use and mount the phone up here, so someone have to hold it.
Yeah, so that are.
Alright.
I know the feet.
Make a look for it on Amazon. Where you get it? Hi Royal. Royal not in a way. Him vexed with me. So it's been a long day. We're almost complete with the apartment. We have a few more touches to do. Well, me have a few more touches to do. Rory as well with the lock.
Patio.
And yeah. But we also did a client consultation today, another client consultation. This client wants to update her kitchen, so the space is good and the layout is nice, but she wants to update some of the finishes and the fixtures. So we did a walkthrough with her and gave her some ideas on what she can do, and we're going to go tile shopping one day this week, so I'm looking forward to that. And Rory gave some good ideas, so we are going to see how best we can. We might not be working on this project from a construction standpoint or from a renovation standpoint, but we did a lot of work as it relates to the design and giving the ideas and the tips to complete the space. So she and her husband will be working on it, and we will help them to find some finishes and fixtures that are to their liking. So this is a mini project, but I'm still looking forward to it because, you know, I get to do a lot of the pretty part and pick out nice things. Yeah. What else? Oh yeah, so we're home. We have two things to show you guys. We have our new car. So both of the reds were sold, the Red King and the Red Queen, the Mini and the GTI, and we now have a new vehicle. We'll show that to you in a minute, and we want to give you a quick walk-in tour of where we are in our construction. As I said before, we did a lot of footage and a lot of research, and we want to share it with you as well. So we'll be doing a series of videos for that, but still, this is a vlog, so we're just going to show you the raw footage and be as real as possible with where we are. And this is what, week four? Yes, this is 4 weeks of construction. So you'll be impressed. I'm impressed by how much work was done in 4 weeks. So
it could have been done faster. Just, I would say, some miscoordination
and miscommunication, because we weren't here for a few weeks. So, but
still progress, a lot of progress, I would say.
Yeah, so let's jump out and show you the new vehicle,
even though it's dirty.
And then Rory will take you on a tour of the outdoors, the construction site. All right, guys. Rory, and I have nothing to say.
Yeah, we're first
sweaty. That's all I have to say. All right, here goes. Ladies and gentlemen, our new vehicle. All blacked out. Nice rims. Came just like this from the factory. And bam. So when you see us on the road, just say hey. Look at Royal, just say hey. It's a little dirty now, but this is how it came from the factory. I do have a lot of things that I want to do to this vehicle, if Rory will let me. But yeah, this is what we're now. Yeah, and the inside is nice and big and spacious, so we don't miss the space that we had in our car, because this is pretty similar. And Royal got a new ride too. He got a new car seat, which him food up already, but yep, loving it so far, guys, loving it.
So we had some blocks right here. I think we have maybe about 400 or 500 blocks right here, and then we have another pile over that side. Some water pipes, steel. We're going through over a ton of steel already. I'm going to show you the amount of steel that's in the decking right there. So these are some of the materials, and we have used up quite a bit gravel and sand already to come out of the foundation. So you see we have a lot of dirt, and we had even more dirt than this before, because we did some backfill based on the foundation. So currently right here is our kitchen. So we had blocked up that wall in our previous reno. So we're creating a patio right over here. It is, I think, 11 by 11. That's the current dimension. And then beside it we have our helpers quarters / bedroom and bathroom. So normally when you think helpers quarters, think of a small space, but this is a pretty big room. And then upstairs we're going up, so on top we're gonna add another bedroom over that side. And when I go upstairs I'll show you. And then we're gonna be converting this existing bedroom into our primary suite, where we'll be adding on a pretty big master bathroom and closet. But a lot of plumbing has been done so far, and a lot of burst pipes, cut pipe. So this is one example, and we had to try and identify where the pipes run. And over there again, so we're digging out this to connect back to one of our existing drain, because we have a bathroom around there and we have a existing manhole which we're going to move from under the house to out here so we can access it. So let me just show you the room. So this is the ground floor room, and fencing, so columns went up. We had I think we had 6 columns that we were putting up, and this is a big column. This is a 2x1 column which will be supporting a lot of the load above. So that's what's going on the ground floor. And like for this block work, I think they completed in like 2.5 days, 3 days. So they did a lot of the block work very quickly, and I think it's neat. Straight, it's level. Came out here with my level. Was pretty much here when they were laying a lot of it, most of it. Similar thing with the columns. All right, so going upstairs, and we got some props, metal props. There are a lot of people talking about bamboo, but I prefer the metal, more sturdy, and we got them on a pretty good deal. A1 equipment we rented them from, and the pickup came in handy, so we can transport a lot of those things. We've transported cement in it and some other fittings. All right, so you can see a lot of steel work going on. So this is about a ton of steel. This is a mixture of 1/2 inch and 3/8 inch. All of this was done in literally 4 weeks, and could have went even faster than this. It's just that, as I said, we weren't here, so some of the coordination was a bit off between the different workmen. But I think it's a lot of progress. So we're looking to then get it approved by KSAC based on our steel work, so we can deck it again. And we're going to use premix for this level of decking, so it should be completed quickly. So in this coming week, looking to do the decking, and they'll start blocking up again. And based on how fast they went with the block work on the first floor, I expect this to be done in a week in terms of blocking up, and then they can do the columns. So we have some pretty good work, man. Definitely after this I can share the contact with our mason, electrician, plumber, all of them.
And of course, this is the highlight of every day. We bring Royal outside so that he can play in the stones. He has a little bucket that he uses to carry them around, and he just loves being outside. Well, thanks for watching, guys, and we are coming back with a lot of content, as I said before, so please stay tuned. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and follow along on our journey as we do this expansion and get more involved in renovating and decorating. Bye.